Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a wig review. So if you want to see that review, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the hair that I purchased from Aliexpress, and it is a 13 by 6 kinky straight 22-inch wig. And right now I'm just showing you the first initial look of this wig. So right now guys, I'm just putting mousse all over my wig because I am about to pluck it. Usually I don't pluck my wig on camera or on my head, but I'm trying something different. And the wig actually came a little pre-plucked, but I needed that hairline just a tad bit thinner. So I just went in and plucked it just a little bit. I didn't do too much because if you pluck it too much, you know, you're gonna have some bald spots. So yeah, you guys, so I just went in and plucked it a little bit, and yeah, that was pretty much it. Okay guys, I also want to mention that I did bleach the knots on this wig. It did not come pre-bleach. I bleached the knots off camera. And again, you guys, right now I'm just trying to pluck this wig a little bit so that I can make the hairline look more natural. Okay guys, so I did glue this wig down, and I did glue it down with a new glue that I am going to review on my channel. That review should come out after this review of this wig, so definitely be looking out for that wig glue review. But yeah, so I just pretty much glued my wig down as I always do because I wanted this wig to stay on for a while because it was my birthday week, so I did glue it down. Okay guys, so right now I'm just pretty much creating my baby hairs, and all I do is take out a small portion of the hair to create the baby hairs as if you would do with your natural hair. It don't need to be a lot of hair that you pull out. It just needs to be enough to make your wig look, natural. And you guys, I am using a hot comb throughout the video to hot comb the hair to straighten it. I use like the hot comb that uses the Marcel, oven to heat up, my hot comb. Okay guys, so to do my baby hairs, I am using mousse that I purchased from my local beauty store. So yeah, I am using mousse to create my baby hairs. Okay, y'all, so I'm finishing up with my baby hairs. Like, doing my baby hairs take me some time, y'all, because I need my baby hairs to be particular. I need them to look natural. And yeah, it takes me a minute to do my baby hairs. Some people, it takes them just a second to do it, but it takes me a minute to do my baby hair. So I'm finishing up with that, and afterwards I'm just going to take a little makeup and put it on the outer edge on the lace. Even though you can't really see the lace, I personally can see it, so I'm just gonna put a little, makeup on there to try to hide it, and also put some in my part to kind of define my part a little bit. Hi guys, again, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to do a review on this 22 inch, yes, 22 inch 13 by 6 kinky straight wig. So you guys, I purchased this wig for my birthday wig, and I purchased this wig off of Aliexpress from Riya hair off of Aliexpress. Like I stated, this is my first time ever purchasing from this company. When I received the hair, within a week of purchasing the hair. I want to say 5 or 7 days I received it. It was within that time. And I received the hair, and yes, you guys, when I received the hair, this was the time going around with the corona epidemic and whatnot. So when I received the hair was really soft. It was so full to be a 22 inch. It was really full. And when I received the hair, I did bleach the knots, because the knots did need to be bleached. And when I received it, the knots on the wig was like really small. Now mind you guys, this is not a HD wig or anything. It's a regular wig, but on the description it does say invisible knots, and I'm guessing because maybe the knots were like really small on them, something like that, I'm guessing. But yeah, when I received it, I bleached the knots. I tinted the lace a little bit with my tinting spray. The wig came pre-plucked, but I did show you guys in a video of me plucking the wig just a tad little bit. I didn't have to pluck it a lot, but I did pluck the wig just a little bit. And what else? So yeah, I did bleach it, and I did pluck the wig. Now you guys, because of the corona epidemic, any wig or anything you purchase from Aliexpress, you know it's coming from China. So you definitely want to wash the wig before applying it. Even though the corona epidemic, you should have been washing your wig before you apply it anyway. But yeah, definitely wash your wig in either warm water or hot water, just to make sure that any bacteria, anything that's in the wig is not there anymore, or just let it soak in some hot water or whatever. But yeah, I did definitely wash the wig before I put it on my head. And once I did that, I did glue this wig down, because this was going to be my birthday wig, so I wanted to last for a few weeks. And I did glue this wig down with a new glue that's on the market, and that video should come up a few days after this video, so definitely be looking out for that wig review of what I glued this wig down with. But yeah, you guys, so I did glue this wig down, and I've been having this wig on for about 2 weeks now. 2 weeks. So I had it on for 5 days at first. I took it off, and I washed it and I put it back on. So I had it on for 2 weeks. And the 2 weeks I had it on, this is the first time that I straightened this hair. I haven't straightened it. I just left it in this natural kinky state. And to be honest with you, I really do like it in a kinky state, but I do like it straightened too. And I like this hair so much, you guys. I have not been having any type of problem with this hair at all, because I work out and I sweat, and the hair, when I sweat, the hair was getting a little wet, and it didn't tangle up or anything, which I was totally shocked by. It didn't tangle up at all. Now, I have been getting a little shedding here and there, but it's only when I actually comb the hair out. I don't really get shedding when I like run my hands through the hair or anything like that. I mainly get the shedding when I either brush it out or something like that. But the hair very seldom get tangled. Crazy, right? So yeah, so this hair, and then when I purchased it, guys, it was full all the way to the bottom. Yes, it is full. This wig is really full, and I am loving it. Like 22 inches, like seriously. And it goes to my butt, which I can't, it goes like almost to my butt. I can't really show it completely. And I mean, you guys, this wig looks so natural to me. It looked like it could be my real hair. That's why I'm loving this wig so far. Like, I really don't have any complaints about this wig at all. When it came, it did not have no type of smell at all to it. It very seldom tangled up at all. And you guys, I tell you, I've been working out in this wig, and it's been holding up with me working out in it. It's working for me. And on top of it, it very seldom shed at all. So I have to say that this is probably one of my really good kinky straight wigs. I bought a lot of kinky straight wigs, you guys. So this is probably one of my favorites. One of my favorites. But yeah, you guys, I haven't really been having any issue with this wig. If I had to rate this kinky straight wig out of a 10, I would definitely give it like a 9.5. A 9.5. I'm taking a half a point off just for the little shading that it's been doing. Before that, I have not been having any issue with this wig. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it when it comes to this wig. Definitely leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on my wig, and how have you ever purchased from this company, and do, you know. But yeah, definitely let me know your thoughts on, you know, my wig. And yeah, you guys, I think that's it. I'll definitely leave the information to this wig down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase this wig. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.